pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi! My name is Karen, like I said, and I'm a makeup artist, a mom of 4, a counselor, and a whole bunch of other things. But if you're new, you don't know about this. I have been giving out for most of the year. I started back in, I think it was May, raffle tickets for those that joined my channel and for those that watched the video with the tickets in the thumbnail. I chose random picker and a bunch of winners. What I did was collect a bunch of 2020 releases and some additional things so I could do an end of year live giveaway. So if you have those tickets, yay, hang on to them. If you lost it, don't worry. On the back of the ticket, I have your name. So all of the tickets for this year in this envelope. And I'm going to just show you some of the things that we're giving away for the 2020 New Year end of year giveaway. Okay, yeah. So I'm just sitting here drinking my coffee in the corner of my house, and I'm going to pull out these palettes. I don't know if I'm going to do it in any specific order, but we have got the Morphe Madison Beer palette. Yeah, I'm so very excited. If you guys have not seen it, I've done looks with all of these palettes. I basically picked up 2 whenever there was a new release so I could do this, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. Here it is here. I loved doing a neutral look with it. It was amazing. And the quality was really, really good. So that is the very first item in the giveaway. Again, don't know how I'm doing this tomorrow night yet, if I'm doing it in any specific order or not. I also got in the FabFit fun. Proof is in the pudding. I'm pretty sure this palette's been out for a little over a year, but I wasn't going to use it, so I wanted to put it in here. I figured just another giveaway, right? For you guys, because you guys have been so supportive. I love reading my comments, and I've been loving getting to know all of you. One of my newest members, Daphne, I so appreciate her and her comments. She is just so sweet, and there's just so many of you that I just have fallen in love with. Okay. Earlier this year, the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette came out, so that is in here as well. Let me show you what she looks like. Here it is. And guess what, guys? I think I'm going to do this again for 2021 because this has been so much fun. You guys have been waiting all year for this, and it's happening tomorrow night. So that is the Jaclyn Hill Morphe collaboration Volume 2. All right. Now, I remembered throughout the year, some of you guys were like, I don't know what kind of brushes to use and all that stuff. And even though I do makeup tutorials, teaching, I decided I was going to throw some brush sets in here too. But first, let me get to another palette. The Medi Ziggler palette came out earlier this year. I did a couple of looks with this, and then I challenged a few people to do looks as well. So it was a lot of fun, and I really enjoyed this palette. This one I think was $25, and I liked her brush collection too. I think she had a brush collection. That one and the Madison Beer. Here is what the Medi Ziggler palette looks like. Isn't this exciting? I'm so excited to finally be giving all of these away. You have no idea. And it's going to help save me some space. Definitely. All right, guys. Let's see what's next. I'm trying to get this back into the packaging here. What do we have next? Oh, the next palette is the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. I really enjoyed this one too. The colors are gorgeous. Wait till you see them. The packaging was a little cheaper on this one, which I really didn't, you know, it is what it is. But here's what she looks like. Super, super pretty. I had so much fun doing this, and the anticipation of the end of year giveaway is finally over. It's happening tomorrow. So excited for this, and I know that you guys are too, especially those of you that have been with me since I announced it back in the summer, early summer. Okay, then we have got 2 of the Morphe 3A Deep Smoky palettes. I'll show you one. I did a giveaway with these and a look earlier this year. This here is to help create a smoky eye. There she is. We've got 2 of those now. My coffee's in the microwave. I keep heating it up because I keep talking and not drinking. All right. I will finish it though. I am hyped up pretty much on coffee. All right. So we have 2 of those. What else do we have down here? Okay. Now moving on. What was this? Disney's Colourpop Mulan. Yes. So excited. I never used this palette. I picked up one and thought, you know what? I'll just give it to one of my gems. So, I've never tried it. This is what she looks like. Ooh, she is pretty. Look at that. Wow. I hope that one of you who wins this sends me a look when you do a look with it, because I'm curious. I know Allie Glines loved it. Okay, so I got the lip collection with this Mulan palette, and I don't know if I'm going to give them away as a collection or not, but here is the packaging. Let's see what is in here. There is a gloss, a liquid lip, and what looks like a lip bullet of some sort. Oh, she smudged at the end, but I didn't do that. The packaging did. Very pretty. Okay, so we've got that, and there's still more, guys. All right. Brush sets. The Morphe Catch My Eye 6-piece eye brush collection. We have that. Then we have the Get Things Started 8-piece brush collection with the bag. It's also a Morphe. It's got everything. Okay, so that's good. Then I picked this up and threw it in there because I really liked it, even though it came out last year at this time, the holiday collection. It's Jaclyn Hill's own brush set. There's 3 brushes in here. It's for highlighters. I really like these brushes, so I threw that in here as well. Then we have the Colourpop Solastis. She's got Solastis palette. I did do a look with this earlier this year. I picked up a bunch of this collection. That's what she looks like. Here she is here.
Hi.
Jackson is saying hello.
Hi, guys.
Okay, and then we've got 2 items left that I threw in here. We have got Skin&Face Resurface Glycolic Renewing Scrub.
Yes.
I think I got this off Boxy Pop-Up, and I threw it in there because some of you were talking about skincare, and this is something I would definitely use. And the very last item that I think I have... Oh, no, I'm sorry. I've got 2 more items.
I'm blowing kisses at them.
Okay. Okay, let me finish my video now. Hug me. Go ahead, hug me.
I'll try how to do this.
Okay, I got this off of Boxy as well. This is the Daily Concepts Ultimate Facial Kit. It is got the makeup applicator, your beauty blender. It has makeup remover, a headband, the facial roller thing, and a cleansing puff down here. So that's an item. And guess what the last palette is? I can't believe I almost forgot her. It's the Morphe Times Lisa Frank collaboration. Yes, this was a fantastic palette. I'm going to open her up so you can see her. She looks just like a notebook. there she is there. And you know what? I am totally, whoever wins this, going to write their name in this. I think that would be awesome. Look at her. Isn't she a beauty? So those are everything I have for the 2020 new releases giveaway. What do you guys think? Are you excited? Because I can't wait until tomorrow. I'm going to do the live somewhere between 5 and 8. And here's what's going to happen. If you haven't gotten your tickets yet, don't worry. Okay? Because I have your name on the tickets. And it's all good here. Okay? I sent them out, the tickets out, so you could have something to hold onto. And so it would be a way for us to connect. And I've got, check the community page because I just announced the last 10 or however many it was from the recent giveaway that we did, the Throwback Thursday. And oof, put all this stuff in here. What else was I going to tell you? Okay, yeah, so it'll be somewhere between 5 and 8 o'clock. It depends upon my kids. Right now, I have very limited babysitters, so my hair is always a mess. But today I didn't feel like doing much but cleaning and, you know, all that stuff, taking care of the kids. And I wanted to show you everything that I was giving out tomorrow night. So here's what's going to happen. When I do the live, if you're not present, you'll have 24 hours to get back to me. And if you don't get back to me within 24 hours, then I will have to choose another winner. And I probably won't do a second live for that unless it's necessary. I might just put it in a video. But you guys tell me, which palette are you hoping to win? Let me know. I want to know all the thoughts, all the deets, everything. Any questions you have, put them in the comments below. And I will see you guys really, really soon tomorrow night. Good luck. Bye.